I just made my first ever nachos. Just doing a check on our little baby birds that are inside our fern on the front porch. I think I count 6. I have to see what kind of bird they are. They look like a little sparrow, but the daddy is red, and they both take care of them together. Both parents take care of them together. So I'm very curious what bird it is. The peony bloomed today. Uh-oh. Look what I just found. Under the porch in the front flower bed. It's probably a groundhog. Darn it. Now what do I do? What do I do about that? A few months ago, I bought this for my bedroom for all the little things I have floating around just to organize them. But I'm really disappointed in it because it's off-gassing really bad. I'm not sure what to do about it. I have charcoal bags inside each drawer. I got air purifying plants. I have my windows open and it still smells bad. So I'm gonna look at some more options of how to make it stop.